Hi there, I'm Angela Mitchell and this is Juicing the Lemon. We're here to help you have difficult conversations that you're proud of, both at work and at home. Tricky conversations can really get the better of us. Perhaps we say something we're not proud of, or maybe we don't like what somebody is saying and hence we withdraw from the conversation. Now, these reactions are completely natural, but they're not ideal. But you can stay calm and in control, remain resourceful and lead these conversations with confidence if you know what you're doing. And that's where we come in. Juicing the Lemon workshops are purpose-built to give you the knowledge and the techniques you need to navigate even the most difficult conversation, no matter where you are or who you're speaking to. So have a look around the website, and if something catches your eye, give me a shout. I really hope that we speak soon.